honey is mostly sugar, why should it be healthier than normal sugar? It's a question that has sparked many debates in the world of healthy eating. Today, we'll dive deep into the real differences between these two sweeteners, exploring their origins, health benefits, and what science says about their effects on our bodies. By the end of this, you'll have all the information you need to make the best choice for your lifestyle. First, let's look at their origins. Honey is a natural product made by bees. It starts with nectar from flowers, which bees collect and break down with enzymes in their stomachs. They store this nectar in honeycombs, where it evaporates into the thick golden substance we know as honey. Each type of honey has unique flavors and properties depending on the flowers the bees visit, making it an incredibly diverse sweetener. Sugar, on the other hand, is typically derived from sugarcane or sugar beets. The process involves extracting the juice from these plants, refining it to remove impurities, and crystallizing it into the white granules we commonly use. Unlike honey, sugar goes through significant processing, which strips away any natural nutrients, leaving behind pure sucrose. Before we look into the differences, please drop a quick like and subscribe to support our channel. The importance of raw honey. Not all honey is created equal. When we talk about honey's health benefits, we're often referring to raw honey. Raw honey is unprocessed and unpasteurized, meaning it retains its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and nutrients. This is a key difference from regular honey, which is often heated and filtered. The pasteurization process makes honey smoother and easier to handle, but also destroys many of its beneficial compounds. Raw honey has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. It contains small amounts of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, calcium, and potassium, as well as antioxidants like flavonoids. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which is linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. One advocate for raw honey is Dr. Paul Saladino, a well-known figure in the health and nutrition world. He often incorporates raw honey into his animal-based diet as a natural source of carbohydrates and micronutrients. Saladino highlights how raw honey's unique properties make it more than just a sweetener. It's a nutrient-dense food that can support overall health. Other public figures, including athletes and wellness experts, also praise raw honey for its quick energy boost and recovery benefits. For instance, many runners and endurance athletes use raw honey as a natural alternative to energy gels. Do you agree with Paul Saladino's take on raw honey? Tell us in the comments below. Nutritional differences. At their core, both honey and sugar are carbohydrates, primarily composed of glucose and fructose. However, their nutritional profiles differ significantly. Honey. Raw honey contains trace amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it not just a sweetener, but also a functional food. Sugar. Sugar is pure sucrose and contains no additional nutrients. It's often referred to as empty calories, because it provides energy but no other benefits. From a caloric perspective, honey is slightly higher in calories than sugar. 1 teaspoon of honey contains about 21 calories, while the same amount of sugar has 16 calories. However, honey is sweeter than sugar, so you might need less of it to achieve the same level of sweetness. How do they affect your body? Both honey and sugar affect your blood sugar levels because they are carbohydrates. However, honey has a slightly lower glycemic index, GI, than sugar. The GI measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a lower GI cause a slower, steadier increase in blood sugar, which is generally better for energy levels and overall health. The lower GI of honey is partly due to its composition. Honey contains a mix of glucose and fructose, along with water and trace compounds, which slow down its absorption. Sugar, being pure sucrose, is broken down into glucose and fructose almost instantly, leading to a quicker spike in blood sugar. That said, it's essential to remember that both honey and sugar can contribute to weight gain and other health issues when consumed in excess. Moderation is key. The science behind honey's benefits. Several studies highlight the potential health benefits of honey. For instance, a 2017 study published in the journal Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity found that honey's antioxidant properties could help reduce inflammation and improve immune function. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry suggested that honey might have a role in managing metabolic disorders like diabetes, thanks to its lower GI and antioxidant content. Raw honey also has antibacterial properties. It contains hydrogen peroxide and other compounds that can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. This is why raw honey has been used as a natural remedy for wound healing and sore throats for centuries. If you enjoy our content and want to support our community, please like and subscribe. Also, the studies mentioned in this video will be linked in the description if you want to check them out. What about the myths? There are many myths surrounding honey and sugar. One common misconception is that honey is always a healthier choice. While honey does have some advantages, it's still high in sugar and calories. Overconsumption can lead to similar health issues as regular sugar, such as obesity, tooth decay, and blood sugar imbalances. Another myth is that honey is suitable for everyone, including infants. In reality, honey should never be given to children under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism, a rare but serious illness caused by bacteria that can thrive in honey. So, is honey better than sugar? The answer depends on how you use it. Raw honey offers additional nutrients, antioxidants, and potential health benefits that sugar lacks. It's a less processed, more natural option, making it a better choice for those looking to add a touch of sweetness to their diet. However, both honey and sugar should be consumed in moderation. Excessive intake of either can lead to negative health effects, including weight gain and metabolic issues. The real secret to healthy eating isn't choosing one sweetener over the other. It's limiting your overall intake of added sugars and focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods. In summary, raw honey stands out as a more natural and nutrient-rich alternative to sugar. Its unique properties make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet when used responsibly. When it comes to healthy diets, there are other food choices we need to consider as well. You should watch this video where we look at the hidden health risks of processed foods like smoked meats. There are a few things that will surprise you.